Are you making a vlog?
We're at the courthouse.
Making a vlog.
People are so stupid. Making me laugh, and I'm in the court of law. Like, the court of law. The court. Yeah. Court. Damn it. They just searched me, and I didn't know if I had weed in my bag. Like, oh, I thought they were listening to what I was saying, because there might be some roaches in there, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But, yeah, I'm at court right now. I'm gonna go lock up somebody in jail and hopefully get some back baby bonus and, not baby bonus, but, what do you call that? Child support. Yes, child support. So, when the verdict is clear, I'll holler back at you guys and let you guys know what's going on. But, yeah, I'm the Don Donna. If you guys mess with me, I'll send your ass to jail. Real talk, so... You understand? Yeah.
If you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
The boy. You understand? The court thing done. Isn't this the floor we come out on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to them people, yeah, man. Them, everybody frustrated because we lock up the boy now, you understand? Yeah, so we're going to eat now to celebrate.
Yeah, one room's all ice, but the bathroom's
Them want my umbrella, like them never watch news this morning if you know say it did go rain, you understand? Whoa! Oh my word. Why are you laughing, stupid? Introduce. Why are you recording the umbrella? So, introduce yourself.
My name is Jamie,
And you are?
a producer.
He's a porno producer.
I am. I'm getting into the game.
Yep, he is. Take it up. Yo, they're gonna be like, why are you always laughing? Like everything, like it's just a laugh. Go best friend, that's my best friend. My best friend. Yes, you understand it, take celeb. Yeah, she's in labor right now, actually, guys.
No, they're lying.
She really is though. Like, she's been having contractions for like the last 2 weeks. She won't let me shove the umbrella up in her tun-tun to make the baby come down. See there? See there? See there? You understand? You guys really went to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh my god! I'm gonna have to eat like a salad or something. Like, oh my god! Who eats McDonald's anymore?
Me.
Let's go to Subway. Let's eat fresh.
No.
Subscribe to her beauty channel.
Dude, I don't know your name. I don't know your name. What about that?
Okay.
Maybe have your name as on.
All right. It's raining, so when we get inside McDonald's or wherever it is that we're going to eat, I will see you guys there. Oh, look at the younger brother at Young Street. Aren't they so cute? Oh, it's a video. It's not a picture. Yo, this is the best. Like, I swear. Like, you always catch people off guard. It's the best. But they had me going to McDonald's. Like, I really wanted to go to McDonald's. Anybody got time for McDonald's? Like, I gotta eat a freaking salad now. Like, what the hell? So, McDonald's. They have me eating nuggets and fries. And this is not good for my diet. Yeah, I'm complaining about my weight all the time. You can see, like, You understand? You see, I'm a fat, I'm a big, and all these things, and them don't understand. Say, yes. I hope this is the play right now. I'm so tired. I left my key at work, so I gotta go back to work and get it. Okay,
People complain that, you know, people just want to sit by the thing, calm, race cars, and more fucking words. You're all that nonsense.
Hey guys, oh my god. I just almost did the silliest thing. This is why you are not supposed to vlog and drive. Anyways, I'm doing another Party City run. I'm not picking up anything for an order. I'm actually returning. So I can't give back some of my money. And all these things. And then Marlon wants KFC. So I'm gonna give my baby some chicken because he had a bad day at work. Yes, my baby, she had a bad day at work and he's not in the best mood right now. So I'm gonna do everything for him to make him feel so much better. And I am going to give him a massage and I'm going to feed him his fries and his chicken and his salad. It's gonna be so good. Yes. But yeah, that's currently what I'm doing right now. Yeah, as you can see, I'm no longer with Lorraine or Jamie or Brianna. We've all gone our separate ways. But yeah, we had something to do for Lorraine today, and yeah, we did that. And I'm home now. I'm so tired. I'm so scared too. I have my friggin' root canal tomorrow. I just hope my mouth is gonna be okay because I am going to Red Lobster this weekend. I have a date, okay, and Demetrius, and I want to eat some ice creams. And I want to start drinking with ice in my stuff. My teeth is too sensitive right now for me to drink with anything extremely cold or extremely hot. You understand? So, anyways, look at more. Slamming this freaking seatbelt on the freaking door, and it's freaking raining. Oh my god! It's raining. Oh my god! Jesus, gosh! Why do I always have to go outside in the worst conditions? Anyways, I'm going inside the store. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Again, like the video. Comment, please comment. I want to interact with you guys. If you guys don't comment, I can't know anything. So you guys comment, say hey, bye, hey girl, you know what I'm saying? Like, say, leave something if you're watching it. Leave a period, leave a hyphen, leave something, please. You guys are killing me, or else I'm just gonna not put out any other videos. Would you care? Yeah, so like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by Marlene calling my phone. You guys have a great night. Again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like, comment, and please click subscribe. Okay? Thanks. Bye, guys. You understand?
What you say